I could move 10 millimeters or more that way.
Indiana University School of Psychology electronics specialist Jeff Sturgeon engineered a new way to help researchers get results. He made a 3D printer. After finding a blueprint for the printer online, he made some adjustments and created an adapted printer to fit the psychology school's needs. Just format the object using a 3D graphics software, transmit it to a file the printer can read, and go. It can really make any 3D object you want with any type of material like plastic, metal, ceramic, anything the head of the printer can administer.
This would eventually finish building, and what you would get is a block like that when it was finished.
Some objects researchers need can be very expensive to make using heavy plastics, but made with a printer, it's much cheaper, and it can make very complicated geometric shapes. But at IU, experimenters and researchers are focusing their energies on printing devices that can be used to test subjects in MRI machines. Certain materials cannot be put into the machine because of the electromagnetic field.
You know, it limits us to what we can build. So if people need projects to be put in there, so let's say joystick controls and touch pads and interactive material, it's expensive, it's complicated. So if we can build these things in a three-dimensional environment on a computer and we can print them out, you know, it speeds things up. The researcher can get going with their grants.
The department's goal is to print an interactive tablet and stylus made completely from conductive plastics to be used for experiments in the MRI. Printing brings new discoveries to research, but it could find its way into your home.
These inventions change our life in social ways, but also in economic ways.
In what senior electronics engineer Tony Walker calls the not-so-distant future, perhaps people will have 3D printers just sitting in their garages. They could be able to print objects to fix household items like a washer or dryer or even plates and mugs. In Bloomington, I'm Alex Dierckman.